Hey everyone, Ottley here, and today I wanted to make a quick video talking about a ludicrously profitable and lucrative niche in the AI automation agency space that you must avoid if you're serious about succeeding in the space long term. And this is something that myself and the team at Morningside have received a ton of requests for over our time in operation. And I've also seen a lot of posts recently. What really sparked this video is seeing posts in my school community and even some discussions by Accelerator about this niche in particular and whether they should go into it. And so I wanted to make this video very quickly to get it out there, my thoughts on it and why you should avoid it, why I've personally avoided it despite many opportunities to get into it. And yeah, it's really crucial that you avoid this if you're serious long term. There is quick cash available in it, but it's not going to help you long term. The niche I'm talking about, if you haven't figured it out, is the OnlyFans management and sex industry as a whole. If you're not familiar with how these management companies work, they have a roster of models and they are offering management services in various ways, one of them typically being chatting services. So the model doesn't have to chat to the people themselves. They have someone who's on their account and is doing the chatting for them on their behalf. And now the fan or the person on the other end doesn't know that, or I'd hope would know that. But this is obviously a pretty clear use case for generative AI and the conversational AI products that we have access to right now. And for us as the people with the skills to build them, you're going to get a lot of attention from people who run these businesses or adjacent to these businesses or in the sex industry as a whole. And they are trying to build these applications for their management companies or to sell it to other ones. And now it is, in terms of the amount of value you can create with one of these systems, obviously the sex industry and these OnlyFans models can make a lot of money. So if you can automate these conversations, you are going to make a highly valuable system if it actually works. But there's also other effects that it has beyond just you not being okay with the solution itself. So some of you may be quite desperate to make some money and you see this, someone's offering you like $5,000, $10,000 or whatever it is, or they're saying, hey, I really need you to build this, and you know you could have the capability to create something like that. You have to have the ability to say no to that, not only because you may disagree with it ethically, but because if you're looking at the long-term prospects of yourself in the AI space and your business, when you're building solutions as an agency in the AI space, you need to see the skills and experience you're developing as a mountain to some degree. And if you are choosing to work in the sex industry, you're starting to climb up and spend time working. If you continue to take on clients that are similar, you're working and building a skill set in a space that long-term is likely not going to be very beneficial for you, because the most success that we're seeing in the AI space right now of people starting agencies is doing the same thing that I've done, which is create the YouTube channel and use that for inbound lead flow and then use that as credibility, authority, and you can really blow up your personal brand in the AI space right now by creating high quality content, because there's so many eyeballs, there's so many clicks up for grabs, you just need to get out there and put yourself in front of it. Now, if you're working in the sex industry and you're building AI chatter bots for OnlyFans management companies, then I take that most of you wouldn't want to be known as that kind of person in the industry. So you can't get the benefits of a personal brand and the rapid growth that you can see in the AI space right now because you're working. So all the effort that you're putting into building these solutions is not transferable over to using that to grow your personal brand. Whereas if you were in a different industry, say you were in, I don't know, the real estate industry and you're building some really cool products for that, you can post that and share it and scream it from the rooftop and compound your personal brand over time, which is going to set you up for huge success. And it's completely changed my life, putting myself out there and sharing what I've been doing. I don't want to ramble on here, but you get the point. It's a ludicrously profitable niche where people will try to throw a lot of money at you, but you need to think long term. Is this the mountain that I want to climb? Is this where I want to build my skills? And keep in mind that you're not going to be able to share that everywhere, or I mean, you can. I personally wouldn't, and I think majority of you wouldn't as well if you're watching these videos. But you're not going to be able to get the compounding effects of building a personal brand in the space if all you're selling is these kind of murky AI chatter solutions for OnlyFans management agencies. So I'd recommend you all keep your hands clean and focus on building your expertise and skills in the area that can compound and that you're proud to be yelling from the rooftops via your personal brand on LinkedIn or YouTube or wherever you choose to build your personal brand.